Hey guys, I am back for another Labubu unboxing. As you guys know, I have 12 Labubus. I went to buy actually one or two and I don't know how I ended up with 12 because when I went to Pop Mart in Pacific Mall, I didn't expect that much lineup. It was weekend and obviously people went there. It was a summer festival, summer carnival going on outside, and there were so many people there. And also I just saw like the huge lineup only at Pop Mart because they are the authentic seller of the Pop Mart Labubus. When I went there, they just had very few in stock and I immediately grabbed the big boxes. I could not stop myself from getting that because I thought there was only two boxes of each type, like the macarons, 2 boxes, and sitting one, 2 boxes. So I thought I should grab one of each because the blind boxes they had, I didn't know I wanted to have so I'm just showing you, I wanted to have one of this, which is ZZ, the purple one, and also I at least if one, I wanted to have this lychee berry, and I also really love the toffee, and of course the chestnut is the special one. 75 Labubus, you just get one chestnut, so it's very difficult to get. So I was not sure if I pick up a blind box, what would I get? So I did not want to take the risk. Even if I don't get the chestnut, at least I'll get my other favorites. So I got all 2 boxes. And in my last video you have seen me unboxing, and the first sitting was ZZ, which is my favorite. I was so happy. It is so soft and cute. Other one that is from the macaron set, I opened the green grape, and in person green grape is so cute. I did not expect it will be that cute. So are you guys ready for today's unboxing? We are going to pick one more Labubu from each boxes and see what we get. So as before, first let's try out something from Exciting Macarons. So one box is already open in my last video. So today we are going to pick, I think, let's do this one. And yeah, so I don't know if we can get the secret. Just picked a box and we'll just see what we have here. Open the package, you already know that what it is if it's not secret because it is written in the sticker. Okay, so the box which we opened has, guess what? Toffee! Yay! I have been really waiting for toffee for so long because I really love chestnut, which is the secret one. It's so hard to get. I don't know if we still have it here, but toffee is one of the favorite that I really wanted, but I haven't seen it in person, so now we're going to see it. Woo! I'm really nervous at this point. I don't know, it's nothing to be nervous, it's just fun, but I don't know, you guys, why this Labubu is making me even nervous before opening. I have them, so many of them here, but still, like it's like the excitement. So now I had my water, I am a little bit hydrated, I feel better, and let's open toffee. Ooh, there you go. Wow, she's so adorable. Ooh, toffee. So this is toffee. This is how toffee looks like. She's so cute. I think toffee is a color that it is so easy to accessorize. I feel like that because it's such a color. This is actually my favorite color. If you have been watching my videos, you know I wear this kind of colors. My most bags are this kind of colors, and I love this color. I love this so much. So now we have these 2 guys. Both of them are the cutest. Can you tell which one is more cute? I don't know. So cute. Both of them. I think we need both. So today we have another sitting Labubu. So this is a have a seat Labubu, and we are going to unbox it Yay, yay. Are you guys ready? And there's also an option for secret. I don't know if we get the secret one. Let's see. Let's do it. Are you happy, excited?
Guess what character?
Ooh, we don't know yet. We have the sticker. I don't know which one it is. It's the yellow one. It is the Cece. Oh, it's Cece. Do you want me to open Cece or do you want to try another? Which one?
Another one.
Another one. Okay, so Arash doesn't want to see Cece right now. He wants to see another one because you're looking for which one?
I'm looking for the one that has red eyes.
Red eyes, so you mean that is Dada. So Arash is really excited for Dada, and let's see how Dada looks like.
I want Dada really bad.
So Arash actually wanted to have Dada. The one we just got is Cece, so we're not opening that right now. We will of course open that, but let's find Dada first. That's another fun thing, like you pick one of your favorite and you try to find that. If you find that, it's nice. If you don't, you eventually see all of them. We are searching for Dada. Let's see.
I want to open it until we find Dada.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a very cute one, but it is not Dada. The sticker we have is actually Baba. That's Baba, and Baba looks really cute. What color is she?
I sort of like her.
Let's see how Baba looks like. Okay, so... Oh, Baba is so adorable. Oh, it is so cute.
Cuter than this guy.
Face, look at her eyes. So cute. Dada is actually really cute. I didn't know she's going to be that cute. I love her. Oh, another cutie.
Cutie pants.
Okay, you guys, this video ends here today. We saw Dada today. We will be seeing all of them one by one. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here today. So this video ends here today. I'm very happy with this cutie one, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video with more unboxing. Okay, so we also got some accessory for these Labubus, and also these are from Pacific Mall. So you can't believe what I got. These are too cute. So you can't believe what I got. These are so cute. So this one actually Arash helped me to pick. This is a little hoodie that has this Labubu sign. A Labubu at the middle. It's so cute. We're going to open it. And then I got this little Louis Vuitton. This is a shirt and a hat. And also, I got a little bag for the Labubu. It's a Louis Vuitton bum bag. And also the shoes. How cute. Also, these shoes are super cute. Can't wait to accessorize our Labubus with these dresses. So in my next video, you will be seeing me dressing them up. Okay, are you guys excited? Let me know.